12:25 on your Thursday, a snow day for many of our kiddos, and likely tomorrow too. As we know, there's much more snow to come, Sam.
Much more snow, Brooke. The good news is with this system, it's going to be on a Friday, so that'll give crews a lot of time over the weekend to get roads cleared out, especially just in time for school next week. So the snow moving in tomorrow, especially midday, rolling into the afternoon. Tomorrow morning, looking dry. So if you have some last-second travel plans early on Friday, we're looking good there. But let's talk about the cold air. This morning, speaking of the morning hours, we saw a lot of spots dip down well into the single digits. In fact, below zero in both Shelby County and then again towards Meade County, where Brandenburg earlier this morning fell to -4 degrees, kicking off our Thursday. There's a little bit of a haze to the sky, probably some leftover salt in some of the sky here from crews, of course, treating the roads. We're at 24 as we are expecting to see temperatures stay well into the middle 20s this afternoon, maybe nearing 30 in a couple of areas. But again, we're going to be guided on by sunshine. Notice as well the wind chill, not terrible so far around midday. Earlier this morning, it was a lot colder. As you can see, that wind chill outside again, pretty much mimicking our temperature. Most spots into the 20s, getting a head start to our afternoon on this Thursday. 21 in Jasper, 26 in Bedford, and spread easily into Bullitt County into the middle 20s. Brandenburg, you're still at 16 degrees. And remember, this morning you're at -4. So, of course, sunset just after 5:30 this evening. We're going to be seeing mostly clear conditions take shape throughout much of the afternoon and evening. But later tonight, clouds will be increasing, and that's going to be likely due to the fact that we have that winter storm moving in during the day on Friday. Luckily, accumulation won't be as heavy as what it was Saturday or Sunday into Monday of the earlier this week, but there will be a pretty decent amount of snow tallied onto what we already have on the ground. A lot of us could easily see about 3 to 6 inches of snow. So because of the snow potential tomorrow, we're declaring the weather impact alert day. Avoid travel at all costs, especially in the afternoon tomorrow and stretching into the evening. Roadways will easily be slick and completely snow covered all of tomorrow afternoon and evening. So with that said, we already have declared a winter storm warning posted for all the area. This is from the National Weather Service. It does go, again, the dark blue is that winter storm warning. It does go until 7 a.m. on Saturday morning, and there's a winter weather advisory well to the north of us. That's where accumulation will be a little bit less in central Indiana. We're already watching the bands of snow inching in from much of Oklahoma and Texas. With time, this activity is going to be rotating into our area, bringing some steady snow all of tomorrow. And right now, the snowfall forecast, we're looking at a solid 4 to 6 inches in this darker blue shaded area right along the Ohio River, Carrollton, Louisville, Cordon, basically 80% of Kentuckiana. And notice about 2 to 4 inches in that lighter shaded blue. So there may be a brief little drop down in snow totals. But again, some decent snow for all of us with this system tomorrow. So today, staying sunny. It's going to be pretty bright outside and downright cold. Again, no ice potential with this system. All of it will be falling in the form of snow, starting off around 10 a.m. tomorrow morning, going into all afternoon. And again, this will be widespread of a snowstorm moving through from west to east, and the snow again will stick around into about 3, 4, 5 p.m. tomorrow and still stick around into about early evening on your Friday. There may be a couple of snow flurries early in the morning on Saturday, but the weekend will be a lot drier. So roadways will be partially to completely snow covered all weekend long. We're actually going to be seeing a high of 34 Sunday, so some brief snow melts as those of you that aren't a fan of winter probably liking that forecast. And then we may see a brief shower or flurry move through on Monday.